sir. Squeeze by you guys.
You gotta be kidding me.